Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Mikhaila Azura, the student of Fatimah Islamic Elementary School. In this great opportunity, let me tell you a story about the hare and the tortoise. Let me begin. In the great jungle, there was a fast and nimble runner, the hare. However, it made the hare become arrogant and led to underestimate others. One day, the hare met the tortoise in the jungle. "You are very slow, tortoise," said the hare arrogantly. The tortoise disliked what the hare said. "How arrogant you are! I'm not as slow as you think." "Really?" said the hare with a mocking tone. "Sure, how if we have a race?" challenged the tortoise. "Race? Are you kidding me?" The hare laughed loudly, hearing the challenge from the tortoise. "And if I win the race, you must stop mocking and underestimating me or other animals." The hare stopped laughing because he saw the tortoise was very serious. "Well, I accept your challenge," said the hare. The gossip about the race between the hare and the tortoise spread out in the jungle. They decided to give their support to the tortoise because they had the arrogant hare. On the next day, many animals gathered on the field in the jungle. "Well, the contestants, get ready," said the jury. "Race from here and get around the hill until you reach the finish line." The hare and the tortoise took a position. 1, 2, 3, go! The two contestants left the starting line. The hare ran quickly, but the tortoise walked very, very slowly. The tortoise is still miles away," said the hare. "It's time for me to take a short nap." The hare decided to take a short nap under a shady tree. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept walking and he was the sleeping hare. Slowly and quietly. Some hours passed and the hare woke up. He ran quickly to the finish line. He got surprised. The tortoise was already there. All other animals were so happy because the tortoise won the race. The hare felt shy because of his arrogant action. He regretted all the action. He wanted to apologize to the tortoise and other animals. "I'm so sorry, my friend. Start from now on, I promise to change myself," said the hare. "I hope you can keep your words," said the tortoise. After that, all other animals got happy together and celebrated their togetherness. Ladies and gentlemen, well, this story gives us some lessons. The first, don't be arrogant. The second, never mock or underestimate others. And the last, never keep any hate or revenge in our heart. I think that's all about my story. Thanks for your great attention and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.